have an exciting purchase to share with you. I finally purchased this instant printer. This is the new Canon Ivy Mini 2 in pink. And we cannot forget about this color in pink. It's so beautiful. This will be a perfect addition to my planner supplies. My goal is really to print some pictures and stick them in my planner for memory keeping. So a quick summary on how this printer works. You connect your phone to this mini print app. From there you can select and print photos directly from the app. It will automatically print the photo onto this photo paper called Sync Photo Paper. This printer requires no ink at all. Okay, so let's get unboxing. Once you open the box, you will encounter a simple QR code prompting you to scan and download directly to your phone. The setup is so easy to follow through step by step with images. But make sure you charge your printer first. Inside the box, we have the printer, USB-C cable for charging, 2 complimentary cards, terms and conditions, and lastly, 10 photo sheets. On the website, it wasn't clear whether or not it comes with these sheets, so I did in fact purchase some extra ones at the end. All the photo paper have a sticky backing which is easy to stick into your planner or anywhere else. Printer. This printer feels very light. It feels like it's very portable. Wherever you want to go, you can bring it with you very easily. The pink matte finish along with the silver foiling in its name gives a very premium feel, but the bottom feels more like plastic feeling, which is okay, which gives the weight a lot lighter. At the bottom, there is an arrow pointing up along with an area of transparency part. I'm assuming this will light up once the photo is in progress of printing. At the bottom is the long slit where the photo comes out. On the side, there isn't much going on, and at the very top, there are some small areas to light up when it's time to indicate charging or resetting. And the middle part is for charging your printer. And lastly, there is a power button. Overall, I think this is such an exciting product. I just cannot wait to use it. I'm just not sure how well the printer will print, but I just cannot wait to print photos and stick them in my planner. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more planning related videos, and I'll see you next time, planner friends. Bye!